Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Folklore Tarot by Rowan Ortins, published by US Game Systems. Thank you so much to US Game Systems for sending this deck our way. I am so excited to get into it. This retails for $24.95 in the US. So I will link in the description box where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to, and whilst you're there, I do have a link tree that will provide you all of my social media as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings and my whatnot link where I sell my ritual items and crochet goodies. All right, let's get into this. Guidance for today from Ancient Storytellers' Wisdom. Inspired by rich mythological traditions, Folklore Tarot presents deep, universal truths about the nature of our world. Though originating from diverse cultures, the stories of myth and legends share the common themes, pathways, and archetypes which are woven into powerful symbols of tarot. Folklore Tarot bridges the gap between the past and the present, bringing the wisdom of ancient beings to guide us on our current journey. Every pip card is illustrated with intricate floral elements, while the court cards and major arcana feature characters from world mythology. Includes a 136-page illustrated guidebook and 78 black gilt-edged cards printed with a unique combination of spot gloss and matte varnish, adding vibrant pops of color. Oh, I'm so excited. The packaging is really pretty. Well, let's get her open. Ooh. Oh, nice. Oh, I love that. Okay. All right, before we get into the cards, I just want to take a peek at the guidebook here. Oh, it's color printed in here as well. All right. Oh, wow. Lots of information. Very cool. Okay, it goes right into the card meanings. I just want to see if there's any spreads here. We do. We got the Folklore Tarot spread. And then about the artist. And then some spots for notes. Okay, let's get into it. I'm going to open this up and I'll be right back. All right, there's the back. Look at how fun. I love, you know what this reminds me of is, did you guys ever like color or watercolor or with crayons, whatever, random colors on a piece of paper and then paint it with acrylic black paint and then do the scratching so you can reveal the color underneath? That's what it reminds me of. If somebody knows the name of that art style, let me know because I have completely forgotten. This is the edge work. Look at that. Very pretty. Let's talk cardstock. US Game System cardstock right there. Not too thick, not too thin, right in that sweet spot, and it snaps back. All right. So we've got the number and the title at the bottom. Or excuse me, the number at the top. Very, very cool illustrations. I love the different symbols up top too. That was a nice touch. I love that it's combining all of these different traditions. Well, that's cool. Odin. It is so pretty. It's very easy to see all the vibrant colors without it being too harsh for your eyes. Oh, Baba Yaga! That's really cool. Yeah, it's really pretty. It feels really nice in the hand. It's a great size. Oh, we have the angels. Is that what I'm reading it as? The biblical rendition of the angels. Oh, maybe the world tree here. All right. Cups. So it looks like it's going to be kind of like a pip style for the minors. However, it does look like it's telling a story here with the symbols. There's nothing wrong with the pip deck. There's nothing wrong with something like this. Instead of like a scene going on. But if you find yourself having trouble with it, I hope the guidebook explains. I'm sure it does. It looked like there was a lot of info. So if you get stuck, there's always tarot reference books that you can get to help you along the way. Learning numerology will help as well. Cute. Love that. Yeah, this looks nice. Oh, I like that. right, swords. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah. Oh, I'm so excited to get into the guidebook. All right, we got Ace of Wands. Oh, cute with the acorns. Cute. Yeah, I think this is like a great example of how you can get creative with the minor arcana without having like a big scene going on. Oh, I love that. All right, and the last one. Okay, let's see how it shuffles. Yeah. That is nice. And it shuffles great this way too. All right, let's get a card to read, please. Okay, we're going to read for the Three of Cups. Okay, so, oh, it looks like these only have keywords. So we have celebration, community, or collaboration. And then reverse, we have isolation, independence. Okay, is there anything? Oh, we do have information. Okay, so for the whole suit. So that's good. Okay. So the Suit of Cups relates to emotions, intuition, and relationships. Cups feature prominently in folklore such as the Holy Grail from Arthurian legend. The magical chalice was said to provide sustenance, healing, and eternal youth to its finders. Christians later associated the Grail with a chalice of wine that Jesus presented as his blood during the Last Supper. Cups also appear in many rituals across various cultures. Symbolically, they represent purification and also the divine feminine, since the shape of the vessel is associated with the womb and carrying life. The element of water is traditionally associated with this suit. Water is life-giving but can also be dangerous, and the mythology surrounding it depends heavily on the environment of that culture. The ancient Egyptians, for example, had peaceful river deities since the Nile was very predictable, and its annual floods were essential to life and cultivation. But in many cultures surrounded by more dangerous waters, there are often tales of fearsome creatures waiting to drown their victims, e.g. the Kelpie from Celtic lore and the Kappa from Japan. The cards of this suit give insight into our innermost feelings and our relationships with other people, which explains why modern playing cards have changed the suit to hearts. The pip cards in this deck features delicate cup-shaped flowers, and the court cards depict various aquatic creatures from mythology. Symbol is water. The downward pointing triangle is the alchemy symbol for water, vaguely resembling a cup itself. It's often seen to be a feminine symbol, also associated with old age and the season of winter. Water has long been associated with emotion, from calming streams to raging seas to the tears that flow from our eyes. All right, and I just wanted to take a look at the major arcana real fast. So we do have, for instance, for this world, we have the upright, meaning accomplishment, success, and travel, and reverse, regret, doubt, and unfulfilled. The world tree is a concept prevalent in many cultures. It is a representation of a cosmic tree that connects several realms. Its branches often reach up towards the heavens and its roots down to the underworld, with Earth at the center. This concept is present in several Mesoamerican, Norse, Persian, Slavic, and Judeo-Christian mythologies, among others. People have understood for thousands of years that all living things are interconnected. Time and time again, we see the tree to be sacred living symbol of nature and the world itself, providing us with shade and sustenance. The world gives us life, and we must revere and protect it in return. Symbol is Virgo. Virgo is an earth sign, staying grounded just as the world tree stays firmly rooted in place. People born under this zodiac sign are said to be perfectionists, always meticulously planning and striving for success. The constellation Virgo depicts a maiden representing innocence and purity. This ties back to the Fool card and completes the cycle of the major arcana. Okay, so my thoughts are this is really great as far as it goes into depth, just enough to get us to understand the myth behind the card here, which is great. Gives us a little bit more education, which is fantastic. I think this being a kind of, I'll call it a pip style minor arcana isn't bad. I feel like a lot of the cards really do a great job with depicting what the scene could be, depicting the energy of the card really nicely. Some people prefer it this way than having scenes because it kind of connects with their intuition on a deeper basis, which is great. So I guess it depends on what style you like to read with better. But for me, I think it's beautifully done. It's different. It feels very fun. And also, like I said in the beginning, is kind of nostalgic with that art style, kind of like that scratch off style. I like it. It's different. It's fun. It's vibrant without being very harsh on the eyes. I like that I can recognize a lot of myths that I grew up on. And as well as, you know, I love the addition of the symbols down below as well. So you're getting a lot of information, and the quality of the cards are fantastic. I love that black edge there. It's just all around very fun, very great size. I'm happy with it. I would love to know what you guys think. Is this a deck that you own? Is it on your wish list, or is it a pass for you? Let me know all your thoughts down below in the comment section. Thank you so much to US Game Systems for sending this deck our way. I really appreciate it. And thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.